You drink it every morning, maybe pour it over your cereal, stir it into your coffee, or sip it straight from a cold glass. But have you ever stopped and wondered what is actually happening inside your body the moment milk touches your lips? Because what goes on beneath the surface is far more fascinating than most people realize. Today, we are about to break it all down. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will never look at a glass of milk the same way again. Welcome back to BioWell Hub, the channel where science meets your everyday life. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a video. We are diving deep today into one of the oldest, most debated, and most consumed drinks in human history, milk. Specifically, what happens to your body when you drink it, and 5 powerful benefits that make it so much more than just a breakfast staple. Let's get into it. The moment you take that first sip of milk, your journey begins in the mouth. Saliva starts to mix with the milk, beginning a process of breakdown even before it hits your stomach. Milk has a unique composition. It contains water, fat, protein, carbohydrates in the form of lactose, vitamins, and minerals, all bundled together in one of nature's most complete packages. Once swallowed, it travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach, where things really start to get interesting. In the stomach, an enzyme called renin, present especially in young children, along with hydrochloric acid and pepsin, begins to break down the primary protein in milk, which is called casein. The milk essentially curdles in the stomach, which sounds unpleasant, but this is actually a smart biological process. Curdling slows down digestion, which means the nutrients stay in contact with your digestive system longer, allowing your body to absorb more of what milk has to offer. The liquid whey portion separates and moves quickly into the small intestine, while the denser curds take their time. This is one of the reasons milk is so satisfying and keeps you feeling full for a longer period. Now let's talk about those 5 incredible benefits, because once you understand them deeply, you will appreciate this drink on a whole new level. The first and most well-known benefit of milk is its extraordinary impact on bone health. Milk is one of the richest natural sources of calcium available to us. Every single glass of milk you drink delivers a significant dose of calcium directly to your bloodstream, and from there, it gets transported to your bones and teeth, strengthening them from the inside out. But here is what most people do not know. Calcium alone is not enough. Milk also contains vitamin D, phosphorus, and magnesium, which work together in perfect harmony to ensure that calcium is actually absorbed and used by the body efficiently. Without vitamin D, your body can absorb as little as 10 to 15% of the calcium you consume. Milk gives you both in one shot. This is why children who grow up drinking milk regularly develop stronger, denser bones, and why adults who maintain milk consumption are at a significantly lower risk of developing osteoporosis later in life. The second benefit is muscle recovery and growth. After a tough workout, your muscles are essentially in a state of stress. Tiny micro tears have formed that need to be repaired, and this repair process is what makes you stronger over time. Milk contains 2 high-quality proteins that are ideal for this process: whey and casein. Whey protein is fast-digesting and gets to work immediately, flooding your muscles with amino acids right when they need it most. Casein, on the other hand, is slow-digesting and provides a sustained release of amino acids over several hours, protecting your muscles from breaking down while you rest and sleep. This is why chocolate milk, believe it or not, has actually been studied and praised by sports scientists as a legitimate post-workout recovery drink. The combination of protein and natural sugars in milk makes it incredibly effective at restoring energy and repairing muscle tissue. The third benefit is heart health. Now, this one surprises a lot of people because milk is sometimes criticized for its fat content. But research tells a more nuanced story. Milk contains potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in the body. Higher potassium intake is consistently associated with lower blood pressure and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, certain fatty acids found in full-fat dairy have been shown in recent studies to have neutral or even positive effects on heart health, when consumed as part of a balanced diet. So rather than fearing the fat, focus on the full picture. And the full picture looks pretty good for your heart. The fourth benefit is its powerful effect on your immune system. Milk is loaded with vitamins and minerals that directly support immune function, including vitamin A, vitamin B12, zinc, and selenium. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the integrity of mucous membranes, which act as the body's first line of defense against infections. Zinc supports the production and function of immune cells, and selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Drinking milk regularly gives your immune system the raw materials it needs to stay strong and responsive. The fifth benefit is its positive impact on mental health and sleep quality. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, and melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. This is the science behind the age-old advice of drinking a warm glass of milk before bed. It is not just an old wives' tale, it is biology. Tryptophan combined with the natural carbohydrates in milk helps transport this amino acid to the brain more efficiently, promoting relaxation, reducing anxiety, and supporting deeper, more restful sleep. So the next time you reach for that glass of milk, remember, you are not just drinking a beverage. You are feeding your bones, repairing your muscles, protecting your heart, strengthening your immunity, and calming your mind all at once. That is the power packed into every single sip. That is a wrap for today's episode of BioWell Hub. If you found this video helpful and eye-opening, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people who want to understand their bodies better. Drop a comment below and tell us, do you drink milk daily, or are you more of a plant-based milk person? We would love to hear from you. And if you have not already, subscribe to BioWell Hub and join our growing community of health-conscious, science-loving humans. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next one.